Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a haul table with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a 1x8 plate. Let's take a 1x2 plate. I'm going to place a 1x1 plate on one end. I want to make two of these. I'm going to place these as shown to where the 1x1 reveal is in the back. We're setting our 1x8 plate right in that little groove, followed by a pair of 1x2 plates. Then we're going to set down three 1x2 by 1x2 downwards angular plates. These are going to be used to support our drawer fronts. But I need to bring this out a bit, so I'm going to place a 1x6 plate right inside, right on the face of the angular plates. And for drawer front, let's take a 1x2 jumper plate and a gold stud. Place that as shown. I want to make three of these. I want to place these right on the 1x6 plate. Put this last one right here on the left hand side. There we go. And let's lock all this together with a set of 2x4 jumper plates. Now I want to flip this over. Let's set 4 1x1 nose cones right in these areas. These are going to be our little legs for the haul table. Flip that right side up. Let's take a hollow stud. We're going to place this right here, followed by a little stem with 3 limbs. Place that right there. And some of these little flowers. You can use any color you wish for this. This is all I have at the moment, so I'm just going to place these dark pink ones right on top. And for a little minifigure sculpture, a little minifigure trophy right there. And for a set of lamps, a pair of 1x1 nose cones. And believe it or not, these are minifigure hats. Place these right on top for lampshades.